Hello, my friend. Let me introduce this model for you. You know, the wire collection, we have mentioned L1, L2, L3, and neutral, collected with the border here. It's the main breaker out from here. The sub branch we collected with the power saver. And here we have the manual and automatic models. If you put automatic, means we have the current sensor here, right here, connected with the main wires. But now we don't have the big current to show you. So we have the special machine which occurs the big amperes. Now starts, and we move. We make the current bigger. Okay. And then we will see what happens. After a few seconds, the LED light is on. That means it is automatically compensate the power for different devices. But if the motor is not working, for example, if the current is returned to 4 or near 0, switched off, then the LED light is no longer working. There is no power out from the machine.